FIFA 23 is one of the most popular soccer video games in the world, with millions of fans playing it online and offline. However, a rumor has recently circulated in the FIFA community that players in Ultimate Team are suffering from permanent hidden injuries. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Gamers claim that some players in FIFA 23 Ultimate Team mode can suffer from permanent injuries that lower their stats and abilities. These injuries are different from the normal ones that can be healed using healing cards. The hidden injuries are not visible in the player's bio or status, but they can be detected by looking at the player's history in the FIFA companion or web app. Nick RTFM tested this theory and found that multiple players in his squad had this glitch. These injuries can affect attributes of the player such as pace, shooting, passing, dribbling, defending, or physicality, and also has the capability of nerfing them. Due to this, some gamers feel that these hidden injuries are the reason why a good player suddenly starts feeling slow and no longer feels the same in-game. People are even claiming that EA did this to keep gamers from buying new cards and completing new SPCs. Some believe they should be sued if this is done on purpose. Another prominent FIFA YouTuber feels that this is something of a visual glitch with the companion or the web app. Luckily, we have come across a potential workaround that fixes this glitch. All you need to do is select the affected player cards and keep them in the substitutes or reserve section in your active squad. After a few games, go back and check the player information within the web or companion app and the injury should be gone. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.